Hello everyone, welcome to Rami Tech. So today we'll be talking about how you can add a WhatsApp button to your website so that your clients and your customers or your visitors who visited your website can contact you through WhatsApp. So why do you add a WhatsApp button to your website? For example, someone gets to your website and want to tell you something about your website or want to make an inquiry or you sell something on your website. It's an e-commerce website, sell something on it, and a customer wants to make an inquiry about a particular product. So instead of them chatting you through email, which most people hardly visit their email messages, their inbox, but they are always on WhatsApp. So it makes it easy for them to easily contact you and for you to easily reply them back. So this will be a tutorial on how you can add a WhatsApp button to your website. So let's go. So to begin, this is a website. We are going to be making use of this website. You can see in this website we only have a live chat and we don't have a WhatsApp. So let's add a WhatsApp button to this website so that people can easily contact us through WhatsApp on this our website. So what you need to do is go to the admin dashboard of your website. This can only be accessed by the person who created your website, the web designer or the web developer who developed your website. So what is going to happen is that when you get to your dashboard, you locate your plugin because to add a WhatsApp button, you need a plugin. So you click on your plugins. So when you click on plugins, you go and add a new plugin. You click on add new, this button here. So you click it too. So you can see that these are different plugin that you can use on your website. So you can decide to type WhatsApp. So when you type WhatsApp, you will see a lot of different plugins you can use as live chat for WhatsApp that you can add to your website. So you can see numerous types of WhatsApp button you can add to your website. So in this tutorial, we'll be making use of this click to chat. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it. So it's just to activate. If you want to download, just click on install now. It's going to download. And when you finish downloading, it will ask you to activate. So I already downloaded, so I will just activate. So when I activate this button, that is when I'm going to be able to customize it and then I'll be able to add it to my website. So it's already activated. So let's go and configure it. So you can still look at it here, click to chat. So you click on it. So when you click on it, that is when you'll be able to configure it on how it's going to work. So as you can see, you can see a WhatsApp number. Here you can add your country code. If you're from USA, you click on 1. If you're from any country, you add your country code here. So we'll be using a US number. So US number starts, our country code is 1. So the number we'll be using is okay. So we just added the number. So when preferred file, you can see that when a customer contacts you, what is it going to tell them? You're just going to say, this is the preferred file. Hey, thanks for contacting us. So you go on and you can make other type of settings you wish. Then it's going to ask you, where do you want it to be placed on your website? Is it going to be placed at the top or the bottom? So click on the bottom. Is it going to be placed on the left corner side of your website or the right corner side? So let's decide to place it on the left corner side of the website. So you can see you can customize it on how it's going to work. So is it going to be showing on desktop or on only mobile? If I deactivate any one of them, if I hide it on desktop, you see it's not going to be showing on desktop, it won't be showing on mobile, which means anyone who opens our website on their mobile phone is going to show the live chat. And anyone who opens our website on the desktop or a computer or a laptop is not going to show that live chat. So let's activate it to show on all devices. So you have it to show on all pages of your website. Then you click on other settings. Your home page, you should show on your home page, you show on your post, you should show on your pages. If you want it not to show on some pages, you can also customize it and it will show on some pages and it's not going to show on some pages. So when you are done with all the settings, you just click on save changes. Good. So now we are good to go. So let's go to our website and let's refresh our page. Then you're going to see that the live chat on WhatsApp button is going to very good. This is what we're talking about. Chat with us. So when you click on it, it's going to take you straight to WhatsApp where you can add the contacts that you want to chat with. So through this, someone can easily contact you through your website and make inquiry of something. So that's how you can add the WhatsApp button to your website. So kindly subscribe to our channel so you can have more updates on how you can customize your website to make it perfect for use. So thank you.